Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change the password of Google Play Store account on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want your Google Play Store account to be more secure and not easily hacked by other people, you should change your Google Play Store account password regularly and as often as possible. And how to change the password of Google Play Store account is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to Google Play Store on your phone, and then now you can click on the right top and click Google account, and then now you can go to security, and then now here you can scroll down a little bit and go to password, and then now you can immediately change your password, and then here the password changed successfully. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.